The Rizal Technological University Management System, provided by the Management Information System Office through the System and Database Administration, brings you a process for setting the teaching load for part-time faculty. Begin by logging into the RTU Employee Portal. Select the Personnel Maintenance Schedule. Then click Add. Now set the location, the academic year, the semester, the effective date, your normal working hours, and your applicable days. Then click Submit. After setting up the schedule data, check below if you can see your teaching load, where it can be seen in the part-time load. Reminder, check if the information in the schedule data matches in the teaching load, such as the working hours and the applicable days. Then, after checking the teaching load, you can now proceed by clicking the Submit for validation. You can now scroll down and click Close. Those are the steps for setting the teaching load for part-time faculty. If you have questions or need further assistance, just email us at micboney@rtu.edu.ph. That is all, and thank you for watching.